thrilled to have you all here for this exciting moment as we officially launch the partnership between Daily Fantasy and the NBA. As we all know, the NBA is the world's premier basketball league, home of the thrilling games and of course, legendary superstars. Meanwhile, Daily Fantasy is the first fantasy sports game in the Philippines that allows every player to build their NBA dream team and experience the game in a whole new way. Through this partnership, we are bringing officially licensed NBA contents, real-time stats, and deeper integration, immersing players in the full NBA experience. Daily Fantasy is here to change the way fans engage with basketball. Together with the NBA, we look forward to unlocking new possibilities and delivering the ultimate fantasy sports experience for Filipino basketball fans. So everyone, let's play Daily Fantasy!